Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial we're going to be talking about lines and how you can use line to create shapes and all that for yourself. So let's just clear our work bench. Let's clear this. There you go, nice and clean. Just let me draw a rectangle. I'm going to draw a rectangle here. This one is a bit big. There you go. I'll give it a little bit of color. I think this should be just fine. You know why I'm drawing this in a moment. After drawing this, let's go straight to our line tool. This is where you have your freehand tool, your bezier tool, your artistic tool, your pen tool, your poly tool, 3-point curve, interactive, and dimension tool. So I'm just going to drag this, dock it here. So let's start with the freehand. Let me try and create a sinusoidal wave. More of an electric wave. There you go. CorelDraw has gone ahead to smoothing the edges for me, and that is done with the aid of this freehand smoothing. Here you can work on you can add arrows to both edges if you want. So if you increase the thickness probably to 4, you see the arrows. Now you see the arrows already at both ends. So we'll delete this. That for the freehand tool. Let's try and draw a rectangle. Close it up. This is the best it could give us, though it's very terrible to draw. Let's try and draw a circle. There you go. This was also the best we could get. It's really very difficult to draw this shape using the freehand tool. So that is why other ones are there to make your life easier, or you can probably just use dimension to get it typed out and you get your perfect shape in place. So this one, the bezier tool, is more of a complex tool. We're going to be talking about that later on, but we'll just keep this. The artistic media tool, we're also going to skip it. This pen tool is just more like when you use a tablet, a screen touch. You can easily write directly on it as more like a pen tool. Then the poly line tool. Let's try it and see how it works. I zoom in. I want to draw a triangle. Go. Let's start. There you go. There you go. That was easier to draw using it. If you want to draw a square, let's just do this. There you go. We have a square now. Now this third one is a 3-point curve. Now wash it on this. Good. See it? It's more like an handbag for the ladies. If you increase thickness, there you go. So I'm just going to delete all this out. There you go. This interactive connector, you can use it to connect your graphs, your flowcharts and the rest. Then for this dimension is one of the reasons I drew this in the first place. So let's click on the dimension tool. Here you have the vertical, you have the horizontal, you have the straight dimension tool, you have also the color tool, then the angular dimension. So for this horizontal, let's click here, then pull it up, click here, then you go to the third point where you want the dimension to show you. Click, there you go. It's telling you this length here is 6.9. Here you go. In terms of the inches, it's 6.9 inches. That's this point here. So the dimension itself is what is giving you right now. Then for the vertical, let me click on it again. The vertical, come here, click. When you get to this last node, you click, you drag out. Same thing here. You can increase the decimal places to about 4 to be more precise and all that. The same thing. Now you have this and this. If you want to know the one from here to here, you use this. You can click, you get to this point here, you click, you can come out, then that's it. So your TV is basically a 7.8 inches TV. This tool called the dimension tool is very important for those doing technical drawings and probably ground floor plans of buildings and all that. So this can help you dimension your structure, and this will give those who are doing it physically the right dimensions to put in place. So basically this is how you work with lines. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.